Hey YouTubers, we're back with another demo vid. This is Falling Angel by Winda Fireworks. It is 10 shot, or 12 shot, I'm sorry, 12 shots. It's been a long day. The performance is brightly pretty, colorful performance of multicolored tails and to multicolored Delilah bricks with strobe and crackling. This cake, it's not bad. It's just not like I was hoping for it would be. But some of you guys might like the effects in it. It's not bad, but it's it's only a 200 gram cake. So, but yeah. So here we go with another demo vid. 12 shot Falling Angel by Winda, 200 gram.